This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The rear light cluster is secured to the vehicle body by 4 screws. Undo the screws and pull the light cluster rearwards. Squeeze the side of the wire clip and pull the wiring plug from the light cluster. Undo the 5 screws and detach the bulb holder assembly from the light cluster. Press the relevant bulb in slightly, rotate it anti-clockwise and pull it from the bulb holder's socket. Align the bayonet pins on the new bulb with the slots in the socket. Push the bulb in slightly, then rotate it clockwise a little to secure it. Note that most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. Refit the bulb holder assembly to the light cluster. And securely tighten the retaining screws. Press the wiring plug firmly into the socket on the bulb holder, then maneuver the light cluster into place. Securely tighten the retaining screws.